Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm on location today, but I'm not going to do a speed run. I've done another thing. So I've went out and bought another Bittydesign shell where I've painted, and I'm going to do something different for you today. So as I said in the intro, I'm going to do a little something different for you. So instead of me, yes, I'm going to show you how I painted it. The Bittydesign shell that I got is the Porsche shell, the P-GT3R. Hope I got that right. And it's already been pre-cut, so there's nothing really for me to show you about how to cut it out, because I don't know, it's cut perfectly. With this shell, I've actually done something different. So not just the paint design, is that I've actually done the, like a little bit of a mod, a clip mod. So instead of using your clips of trying to fiddle around and finding the hole, yes, gentlemen, we've all been there. We're fiddling around, find the hole to put our clips in so they hold the body shell. Now, all you need to do is pop it on. But before I do so and show you what I've done, I'm going to show you how I've painted this awesome body.
Okay, so as you can see, I gave it a wash. I just used some normal dishwashing soap, and I've masked up a little bit of the outside. The protective filming what comes on the all Bittydesign shells was, I would say, scratched, and I didn't want to get any paint on it, so I have masked it up slightly on the outside where there was little holes. These things happen in the, I don't know, postage and travels that it comes from wherever. So yeah, just thought I'd just let you know. So if you were like me and had no idea what these pieces are that come with this Porsche body shell, this is these bits here go on the inside of the headlights, and these little suckers actually go on the outside here. You'll see two lines. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. Yeah, there we go. They actually go here to be painted. A little bit of a wind resistance, or wind, oh no, yeah, you know what I mean. And these blue things, it took me a while to figure out because I tried online to find out what these things are. I actually thought they were part of the headlights, because they are, I don't know if you can see it, but it is a shade of blue. Shade of blue. They actually go on the wing, and they go on the outside here. I'm trying to do this one-handed. First of all, try to get it the right way. They go on the outside like that. Well, it's not like that, but there we go, just like that. Hope that makes sense, and if I've got it wrong, write down in the description below, because I have no idea otherwise. Actually, it goes this way. So I'm up to the painting or the pre-prep stage. Just keep in mind, before I actually taped up everything, I gave it a bit of a wash with some dishwashing soap. And now I'm actually going to try this new product. Or before I show you the product, how do you like my new spray gun? Can't wait to use this. Not hobby related, but I just wanted to show you. The Spazstics Ultimate Surface Pre-Prep Airbrush for plastic parts. So apparently this is to take away some static electricity. Really, it's used for the chameleon paints or the color shifting paints from Spazstics. But however, I'm going to try it on here because it does actually help out with some static electricity. Write down in the comments below your experience if you've used this or if I'm wasting my time, but Again, it's trial and error, and I'm going to give it a go. So yeah, wish me luck. It says on the box to give it an extremely light mist. So that's all dried now, left it for about 10 minutes or so. And now it's time to put on the high gloss black. High gloss black, really. Now, I'm going to be using two types of black for this project. I'm going to be using the high gloss black and the ultimate black backer. So the high gloss black is just basically just for all the black pieces. And the ultimate black backer is going to be the backer paint for the mirror chrome. So just be mindful, I'm using two types of blacks for this project. Let's get spraying.
And here she is. She's beautiful. One of my best works so far. And yeah, well, I'm getting used to the airbrushing. I'm getting used to how to paint it. And the Bittydesign shell is very engineeringly, if that's the word, is awesome. So I'm gonna show you a couple of happy snaps, some speed runs with this baby on my, I don't know, is it my Arrma Felony? Yes, it is. My Arrma Felony 6S. Okay, so as I mentioned in my intro or before, I've done a bit of a quick mod. So I got these parts on Amazon. You can actually pick them up very cheap. So I picked them up for 10 Australian dollars for 8 of them, and I'll be doing them to all my shells. Now, instead of using the pins like I mentioned before, trying to find the hole, gentlemen, stay calm, we'll find it. But however, all you need to do now is just press the button, or buttons, and the shell lifts off. Now these clips here, they're designed to withstand about, I think it's 180 kilograms of pressure. Now in our case, now it's actually for the wind. Now these are actually for actual cars, normal cars, real cars. Not saying that this baby's not a real car, but to keep fenders on. So if you're having troubles finding the hole, always have that problem, and you put it in the wrong hole, we've all been there as well, gentlemen. These are your key, and all you need to do is clip them in, just like so, and everything holds up. Hope you like that little mod. Okay, so that's me for another week. I hope you like that little bit of a mod and your viewing pleasure of this awesome Bittydesign Porsche inspired shell. And look, if you've got any tips or tricks and I've done something wrong, like always, write down in the description below. And if you're new to my channel, always read my descriptions. Get in there in the comments. I do read them out and reply to you directly each month. And yes, so be featured in that once a month. And yeah, that way you got that more personal touch than me just writing on the basic reply. So yes, now look, if you're wanting to get your own Bittydesign shell, I want you to hit up Campbelltown Hobbies. They're in Campbelltown, Western New South Wales, or New South Wales, Sydney, New South Wales. Anyways, it's all in the description. Give them a shout out. If you got your own Felony or Arrma Felony, hit them up. Like anyways, hope you liked it. I'll see you big beautiful bastards next week.